Hey, what's up everyone? Again, this is Sherms from Scenefifty. Today, very excited because this has been about 3 months in the making. If you ever heard of a company named Chasing Js, then you'll understand why I waited this long to get this bad boy here right in front of me. But I'm so excited today. I get to finally open the box and can finally take a look at it. By the way, as I open this up, I'd just like to thank everybody, all the new subscribers that subscribe to the channel. For the past month, it's been overwhelming. There's been a lot of video hits, video views. Y'all been hitting up the comments and I've been trying to reply back to you guys as soon as I can. Thank you for those. I like your suggestions. I love your feedback. All the love and support that you guys show, thank you very much. Let's go ahead and open this. Of the box looks like there's hardware in here. So this is the hardware. I'll show you later, but something about the washers on here, oh my goodness. I'll show you after. So what I've been waiting for from Chasing Js was their alternator belt cover for the STIs, 2015 plus STIs. This piece I wanted for a long time and I finally got it. Every time I would go onto their site, there was always sold out, so I knew that this part was in high demand and I finally got my hands on one of them. So I can finally install this in my STI and look at it and be happy. I kind of don't want to take it out of the packaging yet. I just want to leave it until I'm ready to install it. I did take it out of the plastic. I said screw it. I wanted to see it in its full form, and man, when that wrapper came off of that thing, holy crap, this thing is beautiful. I mean, you got the Chasing Js logo there. You got that nice titanium burn on it. Sorry, I'm kind of using my 50, so I'm trying to like focus and trying to get the right shot here. And you know, this thing is like super lightweight. But oh my goodness, that is a beautiful piece. I can't wait to put it on my STI. Can't believe I waited for 3 months to get it, and I finally got it. The other thing that I wanted to show you earlier was that the hardware, Chasing Js included a titanium washer. Yeah, man. So talk about attention to detail. I'm glad that they included those, so it'll actually complete the look for the cover. Let's go ahead, bring this downstairs. I will install this on the STI. I'll probably not make a long install video. I'll just do like a time-lapse b-roll, because I think this thing, it shouldn't be a problem. But yeah, let's go install it. Alright, we're here at the car. Let's get started. Alright, there you have it. It's installed. I actually had to put some washers for the passenger side because it did sit lower. But all in all, well installed, looks good. Alright folks, there you have it. This is the titanium alternator belt cover for the 2015 plus STI. If you want to check out more products from Chasing Js, go check out their Instagram or go to chasingjs.com. These sell out like pancakes, so hopefully you can get yours. Just keep in touch with the website, keep checking. But yeah, but stay tuned for the next video where it's gonna involve this, a Dremel, and a pair of balls. But I am gonna open up the fender vents on my STI. Yep, you heard it. There's gonna be holes in there soon. Stay tuned.